Yes? Okay, this video I want to make all the comments for everybody to understand and to see what we need to improve. First of all, for the motors. The motor that came with the sample inside is very hard to fit inside. I had to take it out. It took me about 40 minutes just to take it out. It doesn't fit well. Okay? Too big. And then I was wondering if this is a good size or not. So I took the extra motor you gave me. I took off the sticker. I put it in and it fits nicely. So, first comment, not all motors are the same size, and the motor should fit tight but not too tight where it's impossible to take out. It took me a long time to take it out, but I managed without breaking it. Okay? So motors are not the same size for some reason. The plastic here or this, I'm not sure what, but they're not the same size. So this is something you have to look carefully when you put the motor in. It has to be not too tight so we can fix it. Secondly, the wires here, I know it's only for a sample, but they are too thick for what we need. These wires are too thick. The wires this size should be enough. This size wire should be enough. This is too thick. It's too heavy. Third, the post. The post, this post for the screws, they are too deep. So when we close the cover, and you tighten the screws, it bends. You can break it. So the solution is the post must be tall enough to meet the base. So in other words, this plastic should touch the post base perfectly. So when we close the screws, it doesn't put pressure on the plastic and can crack it. So whoever designed this, the post again should be taller enough to lean on this so there is no pressure when you close the screws. Next, the battery, the motor holder. Motor holder is shaped to fit in here. Look inside and you can see light. You can see the light here? It doesn't fit properly. Why? We're gonna have to put glue, silicone glue, a flexible silicone glue to seal this inside so air will not run out. It will only come out from here. To the plastic designer, this part here, can you see it clearly? Does not have enough ridge like here. Look over here, you see this ridge? We need as much ridge over here because when I put inside the part and I want to push it, it bends because it has no resistance. Look over here. It doesn't have a firm position. You see? Why? Because there's no ridge there, therefore it bends. So what we need to do, this is fine. This part is fine. What we need to do is when we design the main body, there has to be at least 1 millimeter or 2 millimeters ridge over here. So the motor holder will sit on it nicely and firmly without any room to move or play. Next thing, the plastic of the main body is too thin. We're going to have to make it thicker. The inside dimensions are fine. Make it thicker on the outside. Again, this is, I don't know, I don't have a measurement, maybe 1.2 millimeters. It's definitely have to go to close to 2 millimeters, or maybe 1.8.